Welcome to the weather briefing for the week of June 6, 2013. This briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. As we take a look at the week ahead, let's first familiarize ourselves again with the maps we'll be using. The gray lines here indicating where the wind will be strongest, where those are closest, and the wind running parallel to those lines. So some strong northwest flow across the northwestern portion of the United States heading towards Wyoming. Moisture looks to be limited in this pattern on Friday, so the best chance for showers and storms will generally be across the northern mountains, mainly the Absaroka Mountains. It will be breezy across southwest Wyoming from Big Piney and Pinedale down towards Rock Springs and also across the mountainous areas. As we head towards Saturday, that warmer air stays at bay to our southwest as gusty northwest flow actually strengthens across Wyoming on Saturday. So again, favoring southwest Wyoming. Northern Johnson County, a place that really does well in northwest flow. We'll have to watch the northern Bighorn Basin and the Wind River Basin as well, which can be favored in this northwest flow. The reason it's gusty northwest flow is we have this low pressure system that kind of weakens and moves to our east. That brings that northwest flow in across the state. Any lingering isolated showers and storms would be confined to the Bighorn Mountains, and temperatures will be very similar to what we saw on Friday. Heading towards Sunday, now that low pressure's kind of weakened and moved off to our east. High pressure starts to take control down here across Arizona and New Mexico, so we'll see some surging temperatures moving northward. Those pinks and purple colors indicating where the warmer air will be. The blues and greens up here, the cooler temperatures with these low pressure systems sitting across Canada. Strong westerly flow to our north, so that will keep us on the warmer side of the jet stream. So low pressure that's hanging off the southwest coast of California, not a problem on Sunday or Monday, but later in the week could be a better chance of some showers and storms with that system. But overall, dry and warmer on Sunday. Looks to be a beautiful day across Wyoming. Winds generally less than 10 miles an hour. Could be pushing that across maybe 15 miles an hour across Sweetwater County, but overall, very nice day. Temperatures in the 80s across the state on Sunday. Heading towards Monday now, that low pressure system kind of weakens and moves onshore into the Great Basin. We have southwest flow that's increasing ahead of that low pressure system, so we'll see a few more clouds on Monday. A better chance, although isolated at best it looks like, for showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening, generally across the mountain areas. Should be the warmest day of the week with mid-80s to lower 90s expected across most of the region. The wind will help to boost those temperatures a little bit, and that wind and that southwest flow will be strongest from Rock Springs to Casper. Tuesday and Wednesday now, that low pressure system weakens further, becomes more of a little weak disturbance as indicated here by these black lines. As it crosses the state, we'll get some stronger southwest flow behind that weak low pressure system. Brings us the best chance of showers and storms over the course of the 7 days we're looking at, but overall not too exciting. Breezy southwest winds again from Rock Springs to Casper. Will still be warm, unseasonably so, but not by much, but it will be cooler from what we saw on Monday. So taking a look at high temperatures at selected cities across the region from Friday through Wednesday, again we can see that warming trend Sunday and then peaking on Monday, and then we should see that gradual cool down as that low pressure system tracks through Tuesday and Wednesday. So taking a look ahead for the period June 14th through the 20th, looks like high pressure is going to set up over New Mexico and Texas, kind of where we saw it shaping up on Wednesday of next week. That'll keep below normal precipitation across mainly the southern tier of states, especially the southwest United States. It looks like Wyoming will get in on that act as the active period or the active weather pattern remains to the north of the state. So that's kind of how things are shaping up for the extended period. So we thank you for joining us this week. Please call us anytime at the toll-free number you see on your screen, 800-211-1448. You can also check us out on mobile.weather.gov, and we'll see you next week.